The M16 rifle is one of the most iconic firearms in military history, known for its extensive use by the United States military. The development of this rifle was driven by the need for a lightweight, high-velocity weapon suitable for modern combat. Development of the M16. The M16 was developed by American engineer Eugene Stoner in the late 1950s. Stoner was working for Armalite Corporation at the time, and his design was originally designated as the Armalite Rifle 15 or AR-15. The AR-15 was designed as a lightweight, air-cooled, gas-operated, magazine-fed assault rifle that could fire in both semi-automatic and fully automatic modes. In 1959, Armalite sold the rights to the AR-15 to Colt's Patent Firearms Manufacturing Company, which subsequently marketed the rifle to military forces around the world. The United States military adopted the rifle in 1963, redesignating it as the M16. The rifle saw its first significant use in combat during the Vietnam War. Year of adoption. The M16 was officially adopted by the US military in 1963. It was intended to replace the M14 rifle, which was considered too heavy and less effective in the dense jungles of Vietnam. Parts and functionality of the M16. The M16 rifle is composed of several key parts, each contributing to its operation and effectiveness. The barrel is the long metal tube through which the bullet travels when the rifle is fired. It is rifled, meaning it has spiral grooves inside that impart a spin to the bullet, stabilizing it in flight. The receiver is the central part of the rifle where many components are housed, including the firing mechanism. The receiver is split into an upper and lower part. The bolt carrier group is responsible for chambering rounds, firing them, and then ejecting spent cartridges. It includes the bolt, firing pin and extractor. The M16 operates on a direct impingement gas system. When a round is fired, some of the gas produced is diverted through a small port in the barrel to the gas tube. This gas travels back to the bolt carrier group, pushing it rearward to cycle the action. The stock is the part of the rifle that the shooter rests against their shoulder. It helps stabilize the rifle during firing and houses the buffer tube and spring, which absorb recoil. The detachable magazine holds the ammunition and feeds it into the chamber. The standard magazine capacity is 20 or 30 rounds. The trigger group includes the trigger, sear and other components that control the firing mechanism. The M16 can be set to fire in semi-automatic or fully automatic modes, in the M16A1 and some other variants. The rifle comes equipped with both front and rear sights for aiming. Many modern M16 variants also include Picatinny rails for mounting optics and other accessories. How it works. Loading. The shooter inserts a loaded magazine into the magazine well. Chambering, pulling back the charging handle, moves the bolt carrier group rearward and releasing it chambers a round from the magazine into the barrel. Firing. Squeezing the trigger releases the firing pin, striking the primer of the cartridge and igniting the gunpowder. This explosion propels the bullet down the barrel. Gas operation. Some of the gas produced by the firing is siphoned off through the gas port and sent back to the bolt carrier group, pushing it rearward. Ejection. As the bolt carrier group moves back, it ejects the spent cartridge from the chamber. Reloading. The bolt carrier group then moves forward, chambering the next round from the magazine. The M16's combination of lightweight design, high rate of fire and accuracy made it a revolutionary firearm for military use. Its development marked a significant advancement in military small arms technology, setting the standard for future assault rifles. Please like, subscribe and share for future uploads.